Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to tell you about the 17-second rule today by Abraham Hicks. If you don't know who Abraham Hicks is, she is an author, she's a motivational speaker who talks a ton about law of attraction and all things similar. I've also read her book called Ask and It Is Given, and it is absolutely mind-blowing. You should definitely go and give it a read if you haven't already, and if you're interested in all of this. I think you are, that's why you're on this video. So go and give it a read. And I am going to share with you today the simple approach that you can take to use the 17-second rule to also incorporate it in your daily routine and your daily law of attraction practice. It is super simple and it is super quick and super fun to do. It literally requires you to spend 17 seconds and then an additional of 51 seconds more. And I'm going to share with you why is that. And if you apply it right, there is no way that whatever you want does not come to life. And I am a living proof of that. I have manifested again from this method, I don't know how many things, and it's absolutely crazy in the ways that it shows up and in the kind of routes that it takes to like reach me in the most surprising of ways. I would have never expected things to come up and show up in a certain way, but it always does. It's the most powerful practice that I've come across because it's simple, it's quick, and you will want to try it right after this video, right after the end of this video. I am sure about that. Now let me give you a fun fact. 17 seconds of pure thought or holding a desire for 17 seconds without any distractions is equivalent to 2,000 hours of man work. How crazy is that? But we don't focus on these things. We don't realize how powerful our minds are and how they function. We have these set of beliefs that we've been grown up with and we've been taught that kind of restricts our and limits our vision around us. It restricts us to see what's beyond all of that, what's beyond the hard work and the hustle. I'm not saying that's not important, it is equally important, but when you have a way to really get things aligning for you, coming for you easily, you might as well want to try it. There is no harm in trying that. You need to set a desire for yourself. Think of that one thing that you want and hold it for 17 seconds without any distractions, without any contrary thoughts of how is it not gonna work, but only on the intention, pure intention, and hold it for 17 seconds. You may want to set a timer for 17 seconds and sit with that thought. Once the timer goes off, you want to put it for 51 seconds more. What that does is it amplifies the power and whatever you put in those 17 seconds 4 more times, 3 more times, total of 4 more times, and sets it out for manifestation. Because once you do that, once you are set with and through with the 68 seconds, you can just lay back and believe and trust that it is on its way. It is on its way. You have set it out in motion, you've put it out in the universe, and now all you got to do is your part, which is go on with your day. Do not think about it, do not obsess about it, and just be productive. Do the things that keep you busy, do the things that make you happy, and try not to think about this manifestation. Because one thing that I can assure you is that once you've put 17 seconds multiplied by 4 into the universe and you've really felt it through, really feeling it, what it's going to feel like once you have that desire, whatever it is, once it comes to your reality, what is it going to make you feel like? Once you feel all those things in these 17 seconds into 3 more times, you can be absolutely assured of the fact that it is on its way. I've had some crazy manifestations with this method, but the only thing is that it only depends on how much faith and how much belief you have. For people who do not believe and for people who are going to question it all the time, it's going to come a lot more later and sometimes not come at all, or sometimes show up in a different way, in a different sort of a manifestation that is not really what you asked for. So make sure that once you put it out in the universe for 68 seconds, your part is done. You do not need to think about it, you do not need to obsess about it, and just leave the how. Just try that once. You have nothing to lose. Just let it go and just have the faith that once you've put it out, the universe is gonna take care of it. There is no other way. Tell yourself that once you've put it out, there is no other way. There is no route B. There is only route A, which is for it to come into your reality. That is all that there is. But like I said, you need to be mindful of how you spend the rest of the day. It's super important for you to stay busy. It's super important for you to stay productive. Meditate. Meditation is something that is gonna bring you so much power in yourself if you practice it when you are following the 17-second rule, because that allows your mind to have or create that creative space for the universe to deliver whatever it is that you wanted. Nothing can come into your life if your mind is not at a peaceful state, when it's not decluttered. If your mind is cluttered all the time, you're gonna have the hardest time manifesting anything, no matter how easy or simple it is. Now for me, how I've practiced it in the past, I've always tried to pick something that was not super significant for me, just to build up my faith. It's super important for you to first build up your faith, because there are a lot of people out there who I know personally as well, who pretend to believe in the law of attraction, but they have a lot of limiting beliefs. They have a lot of doubts and questions that make them question that is it really true, and it's all gibberish and it's nothing really substantial. Like, they don't truly believe in it. Yeah, they pretend to believe it, but they don't really believe it from their very core. And if you are one of them, I would only suggest you to start with something less significant in your life. Start with something that you have no attachment towards, because the number one enemy for your manifestation always is going to be attachment towards it. If you have this emotional attachment, emotional strings towards your desire, it's going to make it even more and more difficult for you to manifest it. Because in that case, you're only going to be thinking about how is it going to happen, when is it going to happen, why has it not come till now. But you need to understand that it all comes in divine timing. Nothing will happen before it's meant to happen, and nothing is going to delay more than it's supposed to delay. It will always come to you. One way or another, it will always come to you. So start with something less significant, something you do not have any emotional attachment towards. If it happens, you're fine. If it doesn't happen, you don't care, something like that. And build it up, and then build your way up. Start with that desire. Focus on that desire purely for 17 seconds. Think about how is it that you're going to feel. What is it going to make you feel like? Set your timer for 51 seconds more, and then go deeper into that desire. Go into the details of what it's going to make you feel like. Go into the details of each and every single thing that's around that desire. You get the point. Just make it a little more detailed in those 51 seconds, and absolutely release it after that. Release it. Like I said, carry on with your day. Do not think about it. Keep your mind calm, and you don't even need to try. I feel like once we make an extra effort to try and keep our minds calm, it's only when our minds start to get cluttered even more and more. Because I think that's how we're programmed. Once we tell ourselves that this is something that we don't need to do, we'll just be doing more and more of it. That's how we all function, right? So make it a point that don't force yourself to not think about it. Just simply carry on with your day. Carry on with whatever you're doing, whatever makes you happy, whatever is keeping you productive, and make room for the universe to deliver it to you. And I promise you, it is always gonna work. It's the biggest truth. Once you focus your absolute intention for the 17 seconds and then the 51 seconds, it will always come to life. There is no doubt about it. Just try having faith and try having a little belief in it for this one time. and I promise you it will work, and it will always work, like I said. So that's about it for this video. Please come back and share your stories with me if you've tried it and if it's worked for you, which it will, it absolutely will. Just do not keep any resistances in your mind, do not keep any blockages, and just, yeah, have fun with it. It's only when you have fun with it is when everything starts aligning for you, everything starts falling in place for you. So don't forget to share your stories down below once you do manifest these things. Share it with someone if you feel like it's gotten some value to you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you think that all the topics that I talk about resonate with you. And I'm going to see you in my next one with a different law of attraction topic, because I think I'm enjoying doing these for a while, so I'm going to keep continuing doing it until I'm in the flow and momentum of it. And if you have any particular requests or queries, I have a bunch of them that people have reached out to me for. If you also have something, drop me a DM on Instagram, or just drop by in the comments below, and I will make a video on that. And until then, I'm going to see you next time. Bye.